over muna sa pagsalita ni Mayor kasi medyo masama talaga yung migraine. So far, we're not canceling or postponing any activity. So sa activity sa Saturday, tuloy pa rin. We'll give you the, so far he's not postponing his flight home to Davao tonight. But tignan natin in an hour or so, depende sa sakit ng ulo niya. I'll be seeing him today. I can update you tonight or tomorrow, no? But so feel free, no, to disperse from this activity, and we will be completely open. But right now, it's really just a migraine. No? First of all, be honest, diba, yung usual niyang speech about crime, about changing, but he was going to talk about healthcare, no? And yung tatlong points that I already emphasized kanina na ang daming pangako ng gobyerno, Syntax, PhilHealth, etc. Pero mas maganda pa yung commercial kaso sa actual delivery. No? That's why sinabi niya wala naman talagang tuwid na daan. Because we promise sa Syntax, mararamdaman ng tao, pero hahanapin mo pa. May commercial ang DOH ngayon na libreng gamot. Nung ang City of Taguig humingi, limited lang daw. No? So the second one is to showcase also yung ginawa niya sa Davao, from the 911 to the medical facilities, kasama yung hospital ward for children. He doesn't really like talking about that, but may doctors dito from Davao, may mga nakabisita doon, no? And then number 3, to show his disgust, no, dun sa statistics na 6 Filipinos out of 10 die, no, without seeing a doctor, no? So it's just unacceptable. So ang gobyerno hindi pwede mag-oppress, and it's oppression kapag hindi ka pwede magpa-opera dahil wala kang pera, hindi ka pwede magpagamot dahil wala kang pera, at takot ka magpakita sa doktor dahil wala kang pera, at walang available na doktor sa sulok-sulok ng Pilipinas. Kasi tinatali namin ito sa federalism. Sa federalism, bawat region, bawat state, local state, no, may sariling health plan na pwedeng tulungan ng gobyerno.